Hello friends, today's we have learned the subject chemistry of biomolecule in which the first sixth chapter hormones. So in which the topic the endocrine gland and their hormones we are a study. So first the hormonal system means endocrine system has a various gland that release the different hormones. Hormones are like the body's communication system. They take message from one part of body to the till another part of the body to do something is important. The endocrine gland influence reproduction, metabolism, growth, and many other functions. Below the list, the main gland, the sum of hormone they produce and what effect they have on the body. So hypothalamus, an area in the basis of the brain that links the brain to the hormonal system. So major hormones, which one is the major hormones in our body? So antidiuretic hormone means ADH, oxytocin, dopamine, corticotrophin releasing hormone, thyrotrophin releasing hormone TRH, gonadotrophin releasing hormone means GnRH, growth hormone releasing hormone GHRH, and somatostatin influence the hypothalamus links the hormonal and nervous system. Its hormone keep the body stable. They influence sleep rhythms, alertness, appetite, body weight, thirst, blood pressure, heart rate, sex drive, learning, memory, mood, and how the body respond to being sick. So hypothalamus gland is controlling the feelings or mood. Next one is pituitary gland, a kidney bean shaped gland in the base of the brain. So major hormone, luteinizing hormone means LH, follicle stimulating hormone FSH, prolactin, growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone TSH, and adrenocorticotropic hormone means ACTH. These are the also major hormones. Next one, what is the influence of this major hormone? The pituitary gland helps control other gland and makes the hormones that control the blood pressure. So this hormone control the blood pressure and control the other gland also. So blood sugar level, the response to stress, menstruations, sperm production, bone growth, muscles mass, contraction during childbirth, making breast milk, and bonding between mother and baby. Next, other gland, pineal gland, a small gland near the center of brain. ब्रेनच्या सेंटरला एक स्मॉल ग्लँड असते, त्याला पायनिल ग्लँड असं म्हटलं जातं. मेजर हार्मोन्स मेलाटोनिन आणि इन्फ्लुएन्स काय आहे तर स्लीप सायकल. नेक्स्ट ग्लँड, थायरॉइड ग्लँड, अ स्मॉल ग्लँड इन द फ्रंट ऑफ द नेक रॅपिंग अराउंड द वाइंड पाईप. मेजर हार्मोन काय आहे यामध्ये तर triiodothyronine, T3, thyroxine, T4, and calcitonin. Next, what is the influence? So metabolism, bone growth, energy level, body temperature, how the cell use oxygen, heart rate, blood flow, calcium level, vitamin metabolism, brain development in babies and children, and reproduction. Next, parathyroid gland. So 4 small gland in the neck behind the thyroid gland. So major hormone, parathyroid hormones means PTH. What is the influence? So to regulating the calcium level in the blood. Next, the endocrine gland and hormone. So the hypothalamus. Which one is the hypothalamus? The TRH, CRH, GHRH, PIF, GHIH, and GnRH. Next, anterior pituitary, FSH, LH, prolactin, TSH, ACTH, growth hormone. Then posterior pituitary, oxytocin and ADH. Then thyroid, T3, T4, calcitonin. Then parathyroid, PTH. Then stomach, gastrin, kidneys, erythropoietin, vitamin D3 and angiotensin. Next, adrenal medulla, epi and norepinephrine, adrenal cortex, त्यामध्ये कॉर्टिसोल अँड अल्डोस्टेरॉन, देन पँक्रीज, इन्सुलिन अँड ग्लुकागोन, देन इंटेस्टाइनमिन्समध्ये सिक्रिटीन अँड सीसीके, देन ओव्हरी, इस्ट्रोजेन, प्रोजेस्टेरॉन, टेस्टिस, टेस्टोस्टेरॉन, प्लॅसेंटा, HCG, इस्ट्रोजेन, प्रोसिजेस्ट्रोन, adipocyte leptin. So this is the human system and glands and hormone. Next, the hormone are of the three chemical classes. First, protein and polypeptide. Second, steroid, and third, derivative of amino acid tyrosine. First one is protein and polypeptide, so in which the hormone secreted by anterior and posterior pituitary gland. Next, insulin and glucagon and parathyroid hormone. Next, steroid, adrenal cortex, cortisol and aldosterone. Second, ovaries, estrogen and progesterone. Then testes, testosterone, placenta, means estrogen and progesterone. Third one is derivative of the amino acid tyrosine, means amine, in which thyroid means thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Then adrenal medullae means epinephrine and norepinephrine. Next, dopamine means prolactin inhibiting factor. So there are the no known polysaccharide or nucleic acid hormones. Next, the mode of action. So hydrophilic hormone are purely lipid soluble, and this purely soluble lipid soluble आहे and cannot be passed through the membrane. They bind with receptor on the outer cell membrane surface, म्हणजे सेलच्या आउटर सर्फेसला ते बाइंड असतात. Then lipophilic hormone pass easily through the phospholipid layer of the target cell membrane. They bind with receptor inside, आणि हे इनसाइड रिसेप्टर इनसाइडला अटॅच असतात, बाइंड असतात. नेक्स्ट, द रिसेप्टर कॅन बी ऑन द सरफेस द टार्गेट सेल. द हायड्रोफिलिक और लिपोफोबिक, हायड्रोफिलिक मीन्स वॉज वॉटर लविंग. Hydrophilic or lipophobic or water soluble hormone such as protein hormone, the hormone binds to a cell surface receptor. This begins a series of change involving the adenyl cyclase, which catalyze the formation of a second messenger, CAMP, within the cell. So the CAMP then energizes a reaction that brings about the action of hormones. Thank you.